Good morning, Ray. I hope you are having a wonderful day today and that you're ready to begin working on IEP goals 3 and 4. So today, for goal number 3, we already changed objectives. So now we're at 27 instructional weeks. And it says Reynaldo will solve 1 to 2 step problems using data from a stem and leaf plots. So you're probably like, what is a stem and leaf plot? So a stem and leaf plot is a way to show the frequency of a set of data. A stem and leaf plot is different from other graphs because the graph is organized by place value. As you can see here, these are the set of numbers they're giving you, right? And then here in this T chart, you have your stem in this side and your leaves in the other side. So your stem is the number in the numbers in the stem column represent the tens place. So your tens, your second number to the left. So if we were to have, like here, 14, our second number to the left would be 1. If there's not another number in front of it, then that would be a 0 because of 4, there's nothing in the front, so there's a 0. That's why there's a 0 here, and then you would put the 4 in the leaves place because the leaves is the number in the leaves column represents the ones place. So any number that's in the ones place goes in the leaves. Any number that's in the tens place goes in the stem. The 1 in the tens column does not represent a data point by itself, but the digits in the leaves column represent the data points 14 and 15. So here you're just going to put one once. However, you have 1 here, and then you have another 1 over here, but you're not going to put 1 and 1. You're just going to put 1 time, and then you're going to add the 4, and then be at the 5. And then it says, this 8 represents one of the 8s in the data set. So here, we have, there's 2 here, and there's 1, 2 here. So this 8 right here, it's for this 8, and this 8 over here, it's for this 8. Each 3 listed in the leaves column represent the data point 33. Notice if it appears 3 times in the data set. So here we have, we look at our 3's. So there's a 0, which is right there. Then we have 33, 33, 33. We have 3 33's, which means we're going to have 3 3's here. Because for one number goes for each one. And then this one goes over here. And then we have our 35, which you put the 5. A stem and leaf plot can show you the total number of data points collected as well as the frequency of each data point. It is another way of to organize data. So I know this might seem a little confusing right now, but I will be working with you on the worksheet just so you can get an idea of how this works. So for today's worksheet, it is called Read and Interpret the Data. It has a girl in a weight, in a scale, and then we have the Mexico in the bottom. So please get out this worksheet. Okay, Ray, so here it says, read the given stem and leaf plots and answer the questions. A school conducted a medical camp for students. The data of the weight, which they're measuring in pounds, of the students in grade 5th are listed below. So here they already did the data for us. We don't have to put them in the stem and leaf. They already gave it to us. Now we just need to use this information to answer these questions. And then here they're telling you the key 5/1 equals 50 pounds. So always remember, this is the first number, the number in the tens place, and all these numbers are the numbers in the ones place. So they want to know for question number 1, Ray, how many students weigh between 50 to 60 pounds? So they want to know between 50 and 60. So over here we have our 40, so we know that those don't count. And then over here, 62 is over 60. So here, 50, the 5s, are what we're going to be looking at. So the 5 and a 1 is 51. The 5 and the 5 is 55. The 5 and the 8 is 58. The 5 and the 9 is 59. And the 5 and the 9 is another 59. So if we count those numbers, how many do we have? How many students do we have? So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it says, how many students weigh between 50 to 60 pounds? Here, Ray, we are going to put 5 students. Now question number 2. It says, what is the minimum weight among them? So minimum means the least, the less. Which is the least, or which is the number that is less than all the other ones? So how about we underline or we highlight minimum? Because that is what this is not going to work. Okay, it's just a minimum, Ray. It didn't want to work. Out of all these numbers, which number is the least? So we know that our 6 are our highest, so that's a no. Then we know our 5s are in the middle. And our 4 is our smallest number here. But now we need to know which leaf goes with this stem of 4. So which one is the least? So is 49 the least number here? Is it 47, 46, 45, 42, or 40? Which number is the least number? Yes, 40. So we're going to put 40. Pounds is the minimum weight in this stem leaf. And now they say, how many students attended the camp? So now we need to count how many students there are. So we can count all of these right here. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many students are in this camp? 15 students. And that is the same thing you're going to do for question number 2, right? Letter A, B, and C. You're going to be using these numbers right here in the stem and leaf to answer these questions. If you need any help at all, please reach out to me or Mr. Salinas, and we are here to help. Once you are done with this, we will continue with goal number 4. Okay, Ray, so for the 27 instructional weeks, you will solve problems with addition, subtraction, multiplication, or divisions using all type of bills. $1, $5, $10, $20, $50, $100, any type of bill. We will be solving for any type of operation, whether it's addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So here is just a little anchor sheet to show us what each coin, what's the name of each coin, the value of each coin, how many, and the dollar values. So this is the value in cents, and this is how it is in a dollar. So now for this worksheet, it is called Adding and Subtracting Money Worksheet. It starts with $2.36 minus minus 95 cents. If you can please take it out, and also a calculator because we will be needing it for this worksheet. So here, Ray, it says write the sum or the difference. So some questions we will be adding, and in some we will be subtracting. And we're just going to put the value of it here in the bottom. So for number 1, they're telling us they have $2.36. But then for some reason, they have to take away 95 cents. So they want to know how much money do they have left. So they're telling us here already that they're subtracting. So we're going to put in the calculator $2.36 minus 0.95 cents, and it should give us $1.41. And that is what we're going to put here. We're going to put the dollar sign, then we're going to put $1.41. So now if we go to number 2, let me make this a little bigger. In number 2, are they asking to subtract or to add? Yes, good job. They had $3.69, then they added $2.11, and they want to know how much money they have in total now. So now we would add $3.69 plus $2.11, and that should give us $5.80. And the same thing we did over there. $5.80. And that is what you will be doing for the rest of the problems. If you need any help at all, please feel free to reach out to us, Ray. We are here to help. But if you don't, once you are done, please don't forget to submit your worksheets into Teams. And once you have done that, you are good to go, Ray. You have 2 weeks of vacation. I hope you spend it well with your family, and that you all are safe. And I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We will see you here back in January 2021, Ray. Bye.